Bucktooth? Fat Dog Mendoza? Do you want to have a go, yeah? Alright, let me put it on then. Let me put it on. Alright. Come on then, Lito. Do you want to go too, Diego, eh? Happy? You coming as well then, Lito? Come on then. No, you've had your go. Excuse me, you've had your go. Excuse me. You've had your go. See, get careful. Get back. Being silly. It's on the lowest setting, I can't help that, okay? Come on. Fine then, Pablo have it. No better. Powerful, isn't it? Good night. No more now. Can I do the actual hoovering? Just gonna stay there, yeah? You're such a chancer. It works, doesn't it? You can jump butt down.